Hi guys, welcome back to J&S Outdoors. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Doing a wild camp in the Chilterns. Look at the view here. So busy as well. And I've got Bushcraft buddies joining me. Jay from Bushcraft Buddies UK. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description below. But what a view, what a day. Let me turn you around and give you a proper view. Look at that. You've got the sandy line up there, which marks, I think that's the mark for Whipsnade Zoo. So Whipsnade Zoo's up there, and that's their like sort of trademark. That's that lion. Yeah. But look at this view. We're not even at the top yet. We're heading over there to find somewhere along the wood line there to camp, but we've got to walk all the way around and down. So we'll have a little hike first, go and look for somewhere to stay, so stick around.
Yeah, well early, man. Yeah, we're all right. People are still out and about. I mean, that's going to be a loop, isn't it? We'll take you through more wood.
So we found our location where we're going to sleep tonight. We're just going to wait for the sun to go down, which is going to be a while yet. 2-3 hours. Yeah. But the space we got is just going to be just behind us in there, against the fence line, tucked away under the trees. We can come out, gaze at the stars tonight. Up there. Yeah. Be seeing you.
Yeah, it's the cup that does it, isn't it?
Yeah. Use that as a nice.
Impressed? Shut the fuck up.
Oh, that's hot.
I got milk today. I've spoilt myself.
Lovely job.
Just gonna walking around now.
Right, got the Wild Country Helm Compact 2 set up there. First time using the footprint. It was a bit, what way round did it go? But then I realised the under straps on the inner were holding the poles together and making a mess of it. Got Jay there in your, what's that? Gear top bivvy bag, bivvy tent, yeah, one man. Tent. Have a little look at that. Smart that is, I like that.
Yeah, it's cool, man. Little nice. Box down the bottom there, put your shoes in.
Nice.
Yeah.
That little zip.
Yeah, it zips up. 2 poles, that's it.
And then we sit out there tonight and hopefully get some stars. Right, let me show you what I've got going in here tonight.
Okay.
I was just talking to the camera.
Sorry, buddy.
I've got my usual Trekology pillow. I treated myself to a new sleep mat, which is the Thermarest Trail Pro large self-inflating mat. Got an R rating of 4.4, so 4 season. So brand new, not used yet. See how that goes. I also got myself a new Downs 4 Monster Downs top blanket. So I'll see how that is tonight. It's only filling 280 grams, so it's really only a 2 season. But I'm thinking with my thermos, my clothes, that mat, and that on top of me, where we are, it's only going to get down to 2 tonight. I'm hoping I'll be all right. Well, I'm going to have to be all right. So, I'm going to set that up, and then I'll show you inside. Right, all set up. Got my row of beers there, bush box for a fire later, little fold saw there. Got an IPA, soft juicy IPA, a London Beer Factory Jungle Trip, a Love and Hate, and a Northern Monk, and a New England IPA. And then in here I've got my jet boil, my 2 meals, which is chilli and rice and sticky toffee pudding, a couple of snacks, head torch, mug with coffee, jet boil, water, electrics, and then inside is the Thermarest Pro, or whatever you call it, mat. First night on that, so we'll see. Trekology pillow, and this Downs blanket, top blankets. Hopefully I'll be plenty warm. Got a new Downs jacket that you'll see me in later from Decathlon, and my thermos and pants and socks in there for spares. So nice. Sit out there later, get some stars. Young Jay. Yeah, it's beautiful here. It is, and then there we are. Stuck out like a sore thumb. So we're going to sit out here later. Face that way. Hopefully get a time lapse of the stars and the moon. Retard, mate. Yeah, man. Yeah.
And I like the rocket pouches because you can just whip them off.
Yeah,
I think they're really good, man. Really good. Really like the bag. Well chuffed with it. I've used. That's a spare time I've used it now.
Nice.
From my tummy.
Let that get to a boil. I've got chili and rice from Wayfrayer.
Nice, man. That is rocking, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
It's going for it. How many calories in it? Must be quite a few calories in that. Because it's obviously...
About 300 calories, I think it said it was.
Is it? That's alright, isn't it?
Yeah. Chili and rice. time to taste the chili and rice whey fryer meal. Right.
Right, let's do. I think.
Oh, it smells handsome. I hope it tastes nice. Oh, it's hot. Oh. 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 It's a bit mushy. I think that's the kidney beans though, 'cause they're quite mushy anyway, aren't they?
Man, soya, yeah, just cooks down, doesn't it?
Can't really taste any mince in there.
You can't taste any mince.
Well, no, it says chili and rice, but you assume that that's mince as well, yeah?
Yeah, man. Right, going in for the stew. Lovely jubbly.
I'm gonna eat that. Go back to the film.
Starving.
Right, I had my chili and rice. That was banging. That was really nice. Lacking on the mince, but the chili was there. The rice was definitely there. The kidney beans were there. So now, while I was eating that, I boiled up the sticky toffee pudding. I'm going to eat this now. Then I think I might grab a beer, take my chair out into the open, and look up at the skies. What do you say, Jay?
Yeah, man.
Right,
Getting on it.
let's see what this tastes like. I'm hoping it's nice. Oh. Oh, lovely. Oh, smells nice. Oh my God. That smells lovely. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that tastes better than it smells. That. Oh. You want a dessert for from one of these, like Cedar Summit or Wayfrayer meals? Get the sticky toffee pudding Wayfrayer meals. That is banging. Oh my God. Right. I'm gonna eat this. I'll see you in a bit. So guys, 13 subs away from 500 subs. So hit that subscribe button, get me to 500 ASAP. Hit the like button, comment below, good or bad, I don't care. It's bad comments always good because they can help me improve the videos, but the good ones are preferred. Oh, lovely. Tried to do a time lapse of the stars on my phone, but it didn't work. Just recorded black, dark skies. Couldn't see a thing.
That would be good.
Yeah.
Cold, isn't it?
Yeah. Better stoke the fire. Ooh, looks warm.
What's the time anyway?
Alright, YouTubers, time for bed. It's actually quite warm tonight. think the temperature was only getting down to 2, but with what I've got on, this firm rest, this new blanket, top quilt, is doing its job. I'm feeling pretty warm. It's about 12:15 at night, and yeah, it's pretty warm. So, as they say, unless something eventful happens tonight, I'll see you in the morning. No night. Morning, guys. Yeah, good sleep. The old firm rest definitely lives up to their reputation. Well warm, well comfy. The only bad thing is because I'm a side sleeper, my head on the pillow tilts down. I need another pillow to put on top of this one, so I can, otherwise my shoulders kill me. And this blanket is, it'd be good in a hammock. It kept sliding off in the night. So yeah, the toes got a little bit cold. That's about it. Apart from that, good night's sleep. 7 o'clock in the morning now, so all good. Look at that morning. It's just a shame that the there we are, we're tucked away in there. Look at that morning. It's just a shame that the sun rises behind us in the wood. But look at that. Lovely, lovely. Lovely view. We are parked right up there, well, behind that tree line, all the way up, but we have to walk. Follow that path all the way up the fence line, all the way around, all the way to the top, all the way back up there to the car park. Geez, I look a mess this morning. Wild Country Helm Compact 2 gets really, what's the word? Wet inside. I can't think of the word now, it's too early. Condensation. Too much condensation. Like, it's the 3rd time I've used it now. Every time, same problem, condensation. 3 different times a year as well. So, can't be the time of year. But this jacket, this Downs jacket, is well good. For 49 quid from Decathlon. I'll leave a link in the description below. You probably noticed one thing different about me today and yesterday. So I'm not wearing my green Bushcraft gear. I'm literally thought I'd go for a change. So I went like all sporty because, you know, I thought because we were hiking and wild camping. I thought, why not go sporty, Sonny? Buy yourself a Downs jacket, Sonny. And I did, and it's more comfy than that Bushcraft gear. So I'm hoping this year to get a lot more hikes in and wild camps at the same time. Because you know, there's only so many times people want to see you in the woods setting your hammock up. Do you know what I mean? Your hammock and tarp, doing a bit of cooking, carving a spoon. So yeah, that's the plan for this year. Got a few trips booked with Jay to Dartmoor and a couple of other places. But yeah, all good. So guys, I'm not going to break camp and let you watch that boring crap. I'm going to say bye here, and I might do a bit of filming at the end on the way out, but no talking. But please like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Help me get to that 500 subscriber mark for the 500 giveaway. It's going to be a good one. Right, take care all. Bye bye. Alright guys, all packed up. Off we go. Look at that sun really back there. That's where I was. Obviously leave no trace. That's where Jay was. You wouldn't even know we'd been here. That's it. Let me turn you around. Leave no trace. Take all your plastic away, all your rubbish. Right, we're going to walk that way this morning. See if we can get up to the car park that way. Ta-ta. So, we just come from over there. We got to go following this track back up to there. And we come across this. And this is what ruins it for us serious wild campers. Barbecue scorch mark and a fire. How bad is that? How bad is that? If I had time, I would clear it up. But, you know, I ain't got time today. But look at that view.
Absolutely dreadful. Look at the state of it.
Oh, excuse you, out of breath. So we've just come. Whew, that tree line there. Drop down from that. Walk across the field into a lot of woodlands behind it, and that's where we were. And look at that view. Look at that view. Behind that hedgerow there is where Ivanhoe Beacon is. Look at that. Right, that much to climb. Oh dear.